Your info videos aren't getting views. 99% of the time, it's not your content and it's your packaging. If you're selling product or a service that genuinely helps your audience, but your videos aren't getting enough views to drive conversions, the problem is almost always in the thumbnail and the title. In this video, I'm breaking down how I fixed a YouTuber's thumbnail and title, changes that could significantly boost his views and increase conversions for his high school community. First, let me show you what I'm talking about. Here are some analytics from few of my clients. As you can see, amazing results, and I'm still working with them and they're 100% satisfied. And these are some of the thumbnails I've created for them, and this is my portfolio. With that aside, now let's get into the breakdown. I was searching for a potential client when I came across this channel, and I immediately knew that I could improve these thumbnails. Right off the bat, there is way too much going on, and it's almost always a bad idea to cram too much information into a thumbnail, though there are exceptions. I watched the video and got a brief idea of what the video is about, and the concept is actually amazing. It's about how to automatically record every transaction for your business, but the thumbnail, it didn't communicate that fast enough. So here is what I did. I designed the thumbnail to convey that concept instantly, and I used the N8N icon, which is the platform he uses in the video, and added text says record every transaction. Also another version with auto record transaction. You can see the difference. My thumbnail is instantly understandable. His original requires several seconds of mental processing to figure out what's going on. Here's the thing, on YouTube you just scroll fast. You have maybe 1 second to communicate your value, and his thumbnail requires 3 or 4 seconds. But my thumbnail can be understood in a fraction of a second, which will improve the views. As for the title, I went with I built an AI that tracks every purchase. Parenthesis saved me $4,847 in taxes. It complements the thumbnail perfectly and adds a concrete curiosity-driven benefit. Benefit is in the money part. Now, I'm not saying this will work 100% of the time. I'm a strategist and not a fortune teller. But I take calculated risks based on what works, and this approach stacks the odds heavily in your favor, and on YouTube that's everything. If you found this breakdown valuable and want me to analyze more thumbnails, drop a comment below. And if your content creator is struggling with views despite having great content and value, maybe it's time we talk. The link's in the description. I'll see you in the next one.